Hello everyone. In the previous lab we searching for pulled and ran a container. Today I'm going to show you how to create and build your own image. After that we will run it and check the execution result. In this lab I highlighted 6 tasks. In first task we are create file with Python script that's print hello world. The next we create Dockerfile, and in this file we will use the base image Python. Next we set the working directory within the container app. Next we copy the current directory content into container and specify the command to run when the container starts. For this lab you will need a computer laptop with more than 4 GB of RAM, VirtualBox or VMware workstation, and the Ubuntu operation system. Let's create a directory, name it project, and navigate into it. With command make dir cd to navigate to the project. Now we need to create a Python script that will output hello Python, for example, app.py, and here we will use the print command, and within the parentheses write hello Python. Okay, save and exit from this file. Now we are create Dockerfile. Dockerfile is a text file that contains a set of instructions for building a Docker image. Let's create Dockerfile, and inside it we are create set of instructions for our Docker engine. Command front specifies the base image to use for the Docker image, our image Python 3.8 Slim Buster. The next instruction is workdir. It's a set of working directory for the container, in our case app. Then copy, it is copies file from the host machine to the container, inside container. In our case we need to app.py copy to container in folder app. And the last one is cmd, which one specifies a command to run when the container starts. We run Python, it's the first argument, and app.py. Save this set of instruction. Great. Now that we have written a Python script that print hello Python and created a Docker file, we need to build the image. This process involves taking the instruction in the Docker file and creating an image that we can use to run container. Let's view existing images with command docker images. We have our hello Python. In your case maybe hello world. Is up to you. Now we can to run Docker. Now we can to run our Docker image hello Python with command docker run hello Python. As you can see, our Docker container executed and output hello Python, as you see in display. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe, give me a like. Bye bye.